This is Doc Mountain, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually look up some person on the app called Taka. So let's say that person has sent you the ID. How do you search for that person and how do you follow that person? So this is how you do it. What you do is you open Taka, and then when you're in, what you see are the people are actually online. So now what you need to do is you check in the top right corner where there is an icon which looks very much like that of a hand lens. There's a circle, then there's something protruding there. So you simply click there and it will say a search room ID. So here it's either you are searching for a room or you're searching for a user. So click user and then punch in the ID of that user, 522386807. Then you can actually hit search on your phone. Okay, so here we go. It's saying Simpson has actually applied. So I'm gonna click on that, and then you check in the bottom left corner. There is a follow icon. You simply click there, and you've followed that person. So that's how we do these things. Okay.